Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2023 Matchbox. Today we have a 2018 Dodge Charger. It's number 13 of 100 and it's the 70th anniversary for Matchbox. It's a Dodge designed for a lifetime. Made in Thailand, copyright 2022. And this looks like an unmarked cruiser. That's what I always add these Chargers to my police station section. Oh, tore right into that one. Oh, look at the detail there. Very nice. Nice rolling wheels, headlights and parking lights painted. Front windows are down. Driving on the left. As it should be in this Dodge Charger. Almost looks like a Michigan plate. Is that navy blue with yellow? It says Charger on it. Nice looking car. Nice sleek black. No speakers in the back. Let's see how it rolls on the table. Whoa. It's straight. It got a rumble on the table here. But I believe it's a straight roller if you go fast enough. Ooh. I like that noise. Whoa, whoa! Let's see if we don't have to squeeze the ball. Will it do that? Nice. All right, so forwards is flipped over if you go too fast. Backwards, pretty thick. Yes! Nice. I like that, though. That was fun. All right, does it drift? Hopefully it drifts, because it is a police car. Oh, nice straightening out. We got a pro driver here. Right to the line. Nice. Not too shabby. I like it. Yeah. So all the black you're looking at on the top is metal, and the bottom is plastic. I've already said it's made in Thailand. 2 rivets. Come on, why isn't that coming in? There we go. Thanks for tuning in and checking it out with me. Let me know what you think about it. I like it. Do you think of it as a cruiser? As a police car, I should say? I do. It doesn't have the tinted windows, though. But thanks for tuning in and checking it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Until next time, T10 out.